In this video, I'm about to show you how to automate with AI in Zapier. First, navigate to the Zapier official website on your browser. Once logged in, click the Create button and select Zaps from the drop-down. Next, you can get help for automation and enter the text to integrate AI. For instance, I type Integrate ChatGPT into Zapier. It'll display a detailed reply on the left sidebar. Then, there are 3 ChatGPT options, and select the one for conversation. To continue, hit the Options tab button. A menu of top apps will appear. Then search for Google Sheets and click on it. The Google Sheets app will be added to your starting event. On the other side, click the event field and select your event. After selecting your event, click the account field. It will take a few seconds to connect your account and wait for it. After that, select your Google account and click Continue. Continue to the next step and select the driver field. Now, provide the detail in all the required fields to complete the steps. Your Zap is now ready to send prompt to ChatGPT, which is OpenAI, and receive responses automatically. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.